हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद है आप सब ठीक होंगे। आज जो मैं टॉपिक आपके लिए लाई हूँ वो कश्मीर इशू पे मैं दो जो है वीडियोस दे चुकी हूँ, लेकिन जो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के स्टूडेंट्स हैं या जो भी दूसरे एग्जाम्स के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो उनके लिए ये है कि ये वीडियो इस तरह बनी है कि आप इसमें से अपने नोट्स प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं। अब ये मैंने बहुत पहले ये नोट्स प्रिपेयर किए थे, तकरीबन 2010 में। तो ये मैं आपको जस्ट हिंट्स दे रही हूँ कि आप नोट्स किस तरह प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो, आप किस तरह अपने लिए चीज़ को इजी बना सकते हो। आप बुलेट्स में चीज़ें लिखें, पॉइंट्स में लिखें, छोटे छोटे पैराग्राफ्स में लिखें। तो ये एक तरह से आपको नोट्स सिखाने के लिए वीडियो है कि आप कश्मीर इशू पे किस तरह लिख सकते हैं। तो अब फर्स्ट में आप क्या करेंगे, कश्मीर इशू पे आप ब्रीफ हिस्ट्री लिखेंगे। 1846 से द स्टेट वाज क्रिएटेड अंडर द ट्रीटी ऑफ अमृतसर बिटवीन द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी एंड राजा गुलाब सिंह ऑफ जम्मू, who buys Kashmir Valley from the East India Company for Rs 75 lakhs and adds it to Jammu and Ladakh already under his rule। अब देखिए ये यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो गया। फिर 15 अगस्त 1947 the Indian subcontinent becomes independent and Kashmir signs standstill agreement with Pakistan। फिर आपने इसमें ये सारा लिखना है कि there were 562 princely states and rulers of princely states were encouraged to accede their state to either Dominion, India or Pakistan, taking into account factors such as geographical contiguity and the wishes of their people. The Maharaja of Kashmir delays his decision in effort to remain independent. Being a Muslim majority state and adjacent to Pakistan, Kashmir was expected to accede to Pakistan. Since the Hindu ruler acceded instead to India, a dispute arose in the case of Kashmir। फिर नेक्स्ट डेट है 26 अक्टूबर 1947। पाकिस्तानी ट्राइब स्टार्टिंग इन्वेजन इन द वैली अगेंस्ट द एक्सेशन ऑफ इंडिया। पाकिस्तानी आर्मी आल्सो हेल्प्ड आउट द ट्राइब्स इन देयर इन्वेजन। 27 अक्टूबर 1947 इंडियन आर्मी एंटर्ड इन द स्टेट टू रिपेल द इन्वेडर्स। फिर है नवंबर 1947 इंडिया proposed पाकिस्तान to withdraw all its troops first as a precondition for a plebiscite, which Pakistan rejects on the grounds that the Kashmiris may not vote freely in the presence of Indian army and Sheikh Abdullah's friendship with the Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru। Thus, Pakistan too proposed simultaneous withdrawal of all troops followed by a plebiscite under international help which India rejected। आप इन नोट्स के स्क्रीनशॉट लेके आप खुद इसमें से नोट्स लिख सकते हैं, बना सकते हैं और प्रिंट आउट भी इसका निकाल सकते हैं। 1st January 1948, India took the Kashmir problem to the United Nations Security Council। 1st January 1949, a ceasefire between India and Pakistani was forced, which left India in control of most of the valley as well as Jammu and Ladakh, while Pakistan gained control of part of Kashmir, including what Pakistani calls Azad Kashmir and Northern Territories। 5th January 1949, United Nations Commission for India in Pakistan resolution stated that the question of the accession of the state of Jammu and Kashmir to India or Pakistan will be decided through a free and impartial plebiscite। 1962 War between India and China। 1965 War between Pakistan and India over a dispute of Kashmir। 1999 Kargil War between Pakistan and India over dispute of Kashmir। 1989 Popular insurgency and militancy took place in Kashmir। फिर है next Indian view over Kashmir। India claimed that Raja Hari Singh, the then Raja of Kashmir, signed accession agreement with India on 26 October 1947। India administers approximately 43% of the region, including most of Jammu, the Kashmir Valley, Ladakh, and the Siachen Glacier। India believes that Kashmir is an integral part of India। Insurgency and terrorism in Kashmir is deliberately being fueled by Pakistan to create instability in the region। Pakistan is trying to raise anti-India sentiment among the people of Kashmir by spreading false propaganda against India. India states that the territories have been killing many citizens in Kashmir and committing human rights violation. India states that the terrorists have been killing many citizens in Kashmir and committing human rights violations. They deny that their own armed forces are responsible for human rights abuses. On a visit to Pakistan in 2006, current Chief Minister of Kashmir Umar Abdullah remarked that foreign militants were engaged in reckless killings and mayhem in the name of religion. Indian government has said militancy is now on the decline. तो ये कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो कई जगहों से मैंने लिए हैं. ये सिंपल ये नहीं है कि मैंने किसी एक बुक से लिए हैं. छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स लेके उसको इजी बना के मैंने यहाँ पे बुलेट फॉर्म में लिख दिया है. तो इस तरह आप अपने नोट्स बना सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट है पाकिस्तान व्यू ओवर कश्मीर. India's claim is contested by Pakistan, which controls approximately 37% of Kashmir, namely Azad Kashmir and the northern areas of Gilgit and Baltistan. Pakistan claims that Indian forces were in Kashmir before the instrument of accession was signed with India and that therefore Indian troops were in Kashmir. Pakistan says that Kashmir is a disputed territory whose final status must be determined by the people of Kashmir. The Pakistani government calls the Kashmiri insurgents Kashmiri freedom fighters and claims that it gives only moral and diplomatic support to these insurgents. The popular Kashmiri insurgency demonstrates that the Kashmiri people no longer wish to remain within India. Pakistan suggests that this means that Kashmir either wants to be with Pakistan or independent. According to the two-nation theory, which is one of the theories that is cited for the partition that created India and Pakistan, Kashmir should have been with Pakistan because it has a Muslim majority. India has shown disregard to the resolution of the UN Security Council and the United Nations Commission in India and Pakistan by failing to hold a plebiscite to determine the future allegiance of the state. Pakistan points towards reports from the United Nations which condemn India for its human rights violations against Kashmiri people. China and Kashmir. China controls 20% of Kashmir, including Aksai Chin, which it occupied following the brief Sino-Indian War of 1962. China states that Aksai Chin is a part of Tibet, which is part of China. Independent groups. Certain Kashmiri independence groups believe that Kashmir should be independent of both India and Pakistan. Freedom struggle. In the recent years, India has tried to equate the freedom struggle with terrorism and pursued international community to declare it as a terrorist movement. This has only complicated the road to conflict resolution, and the hope on the peace process in Kashmir has dwindled to almost nothing. The freedom struggle to settle Kashmir dispute has made inroads in America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. Kashmiris outside India and Pakistan are playing active diplomatic role to gain support for freedom and peaceful resolution of this imbroglio. NGOs around the world are paying greater attention to the human rights conditions than in the past. Thus, the resistance movement has attracted the bona fide support of the global community. The freedom movement to bring goal of a peace settlement nearer has become invincible. Kashmir struggle has turned into new intifada. The Kashmiri struggle has turned into a new intifada recently when youth, children, and even Kashmiri women took to the streets armed with stones, the weapons of the oppressed civilians against tyrants, braving death. The Indian military has used every tactic and means ranging from bullets to curfews to sealing of the territory in order to restrain and silence the voice of Kashmiris from reaching the world. Curfews are imposed every now and then, leading to starvation of the local populace. failed attempt to play the religion card. After failing to curb the growing Kashmiri uprising against the occupation, the Indian invading minds have come up with many ideas to befool the world. One of the most sinister moves was to play the religion card by bribing some Deobandi mullahs to issue statements in its favor over Kashmir. The meeting of the Congressi Deobandi mullahs and their groups Jumait-e-Ulama-e-Hind recently interfering in the affairs of the Kashmiris and supporting the Indian stand said the long-pending demands of the Kashmiri people need to be addressed within the framework of the Constitution of India. The Kashmiri leader rejected the interference of these Indian mullahs into their affairs, saying Kashmir was a separate country, hence any Indian, be it a Muslim, has no right to advise the Kashmiris. द कश्मीरी हॉलोकॉस्ट, इसमें आप रिसेंट वगैरह सिचुएशन लिख सकते हैं जो अभी चली थी, जो अभी का कर्फ्यू वगैरह है कि क्या है, क्या सिचुएशन है, तो ये सब आप लिख सकते हैं। तो ये मैं आपको जस्ट एक हिंट दे रही हूँ कि आपने किस तरह लिखना है नोट्स को। कश्मीरी अपराइजिंग पाकिस्तान एंड स्ट्रेटेजिक ब्लंडर्स, तो ये पुराना है कि सीज फायर 2004 में हुआ था, 2002 में क्या हुआ था, इंडियन आर्मी ने क्या किया था, और कंपोजिट डायलॉग, क्या क्या डायलॉग्स हुए हैं, किधर किधर हुए हैं। तो 2005 से जो है इनिशिएट हुए थे डायलॉग्स इस पे। तो ये सारा आप देख सकते हैं कि कंपोजिट डायलॉग्स क्या थे। तो मैंने पढ़ के थोड़ा इसलिए सुनाया ताकि आपको अंदाज़ा हो कि कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ये होते हैं कि उनको पढ़ना इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता जितना सुनना अच्छा लगता है। तो दैट्स वाई मैंने आपके साथ थोड़ा पढ़ के सुनाया, आपको शेयर किए नोट्स। तो प्रपोज्ड सॉल्यूशंस क्या हैं, लास्ट में आप ये देंगे। लाजमी बात है, हर जगह जब कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो वहाँ का कोई सॉल्यूशन तो होता है। उस प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ सॉल्यूशन देना पड़ता है। आपको लाजमी अपने नोट्स पे कुछ ना कुछ अपने ख्यालात का इजहार करना ज़रूरी होगा, कोई सॉल्यूशन देना होगा, कंक्लूजन लास्ट में देना होगा। तो प्रपोज्ड सॉल्यूशंस क्या थे? प्लेबिसाइड अंडर द कवर ऑफ UN, China and Russia play their role. International community pressurize both states. Economic relations between India and Pakistan. Media should expose Indian atrocities in IHK to the world. तो ये था आज का टॉपिक। तो होप आपने कुछ ज़रूर सीखा होगा कि नोट्स कैसे बनाए जाते हैं, बुलेट्स फॉर्म में बनाए जाते हैं, इजी करके बनाए जाते हैं। अगर आपको मेरा लेक्चर अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।